Hello guys, today I will show you how to use this magic screw. And we can see the accessories are those. Yes. This one is bolt and knot. And this one is very useful when we use this one. So first, I will show you how to install the batteries. This button batteries. Okay. Now we will use this one. Just like this. And if you use this, it will be wrong. Like this. And you can rotate it. And this one is not we can see not move. Just move this. Just move here. And then here we can install the batteries and put batteries like this. Yes, these batteries has two face. This face and this face. We just put it like this, and then put this on it. We can see, and then just put this down, and press here. Okay, the batteries has been installed well. When you perform, nobody can find it easily. Where is the batteries? You can see. Right? And then we don't need to use this one. Just rotate this nut. And we have a sticker like our skip, right? And we can use it or not. It depends on your like. Just use this one and stick it. But if you don't like to stick it is also okay. So how this nut can be moved? You just use this finger to try. Maybe you can find some place it will move. And if it is not, if the knot is don't move, you can change the place of this finger until it will rotate. Just like this. Actually, this magnet is not not very big, yeah, and we can try it again. And if you don't like this magnet, you can always use a picking ring. Yeah, just like this one. And our store is also have them in stock, but the color is it's whole black. Yeah, you can find it. And we can wear this ring, this picking ring, strong magnetic. Yeah. Because this will be more better, yeah, more good. The effects are better than this one, than this magnet, yeah. If you want to buy the picking ring, you can search our store, OUERMAMA. I show you again. Okay, that's all. Thanks. Hope you can enjoy it.